Let's be honest. Right now, you're not where you want to be. Not financially, not physically, not mentally. You're starting from scratch. Good, because this is the moment that defines you. Not when you win, not when you're praised, but when you look at your life and admit it needs rebuilding. You don't feel powerful. You feel behind. You scroll, you compare, you overthink. And deep down, you know you're capable of more. That frustration, that's not weakness, that's awareness. Building yourself from scratch doesn't start with motivation. It starts with discomfort. Admitting, I am not disciplined, I waste time, I avoid hard things. That honesty, that's your foundation. Right now, nobody sees you as dangerous. Nobody sees you as focused because you're not there yet. And that's fine, because this is the construction phase. Messy, unimpressive, invisible. Before you build anything, you decide who you refuse to be anymore. Sit with that, because now we build properly. Step 1. Kill excuses. No dramatic speech, just small decisions. Wake up when the alarm rings. Do the work before the mood arrives. Keep one promise to yourself daily, just one. That's it. Step 2. Shrink your world. Stop trying to change everything. Fix your sleep, fix your focus, fix your daily routine. Win small, repeat. Step 3. Choose one skill, not hundreds. One direction. Study it, practice it, be bad at it, stay bad until you're not. You won't feel confident, you'll feel awkward. You won't feel motivated, you'll feel resistance. That's normal. You are not behind, you are at the beginning. Starting from scratch is not embarrassing, it's powerful. Because you have nothing to defend, no image to protect. You can rebuild yourself without ego. Brick by brick. 1 year from now, if you stay consistent, you won't magically become famous. You won't become perfect, but you will be disciplined, sharper, more controlled, and that's where real power begins. Right now, you're not impressive. Good. That means you're free. Free to build, free to change, free to become someone your current self wouldn't recognize. From scratch. And this time, you build it correctly.